Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase sprinklers from the new traveling merchant. As you can see, there's I'm tired, sprinkler sales. You're just going to select open, and then basically he sells like the sprinklers that you have to kind of craft. You can't actually just purchase it. You can still craft it if you'd like, but you can now purchase it. There is Tropical Mist Sprinkler, increases growth speed and size bonus for tropical type plants. Berry Blusher Sprinkler, greatly increased size bonus for berry type plants. Spice Spritzer Sprinkler, greatly increases variant chance bonus for spicy type plants. Sweet Soaker Sprinkler, doubles the size of bonus for sweet type plants. Flower Froster Sprinkler, increases growth speed and freezes flower type plants. Lastly, we have the Stock Sprout Sprinkler. Sorry, these are all like hard to say. Increases growth plants and with stock type plants. And that is basically it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.